experiencing issues receiving texts on your consumer cellular phone? The most common cause is an incorrect SMSC, Short Message Service Center, setting. The SMSC is the network's hub for routing text messages. Consumer Cellular's default SMSC number is +1131491, but it can vary by region, such as +106310. If your phone's SMSC is misconfigured, especially after switching from another carrier or using an unlocked device, you won't receive texts. To fix this, try resetting your network settings first. If that doesn't work, manually update your SMSC. On Android, use the code 4636 to access the service menu and manually enter the correct SMSC number. Some consumer cellular apps may have a built-in SMSC reset tool as well. This ensures your texts are routed correctly through Consumer Cellular's network. If your SMSC is correct and you're still not receiving texts, check your text message filters. Built-in spam filters on Android and iOS or third-party apps like Google Messages can sometimes block legitimate messages. Make sure the sender isn't on your blocked list and temporarily disable spam filters to see if that resolves the issue. Also, consider whether RCS, Rich Communication Services, is interfering with SMS. Try disabling RCS temporarily. Furthermore, AP access point settings must be correctly configured, APN CC data. Lastly, a simple network reset can often resolve underlying connectivity problems. If issues persist, contact Consumer Cellular support for device-specific guidance.